everyone. My name is John Lilly. I'm the owner of South Jersey Paint Protection. And this week we wrapped up a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. We changed the whole appearance of the truck by installing not vinyl wrap, but color-infused paint protection film by Pure PPF. This color is called Obsidian Red, and it shifts from a red to a gold to a black, depending on the light that's hitting it. So not only does this change the look of the entire vehicle, but what we're actually doing is protecting the finish at the same time. Again, we're not using vinyl wrap. This is 8mm thick paint protection film that replicates the look of paint. Instead of having the dull look of vinyl wrap, you have the deep gloss look of actual paint using paint protection film. Another thing that we did to this truck was we tinted the front 4 windows, the 2 large windows, and the 2 quarter windows in Suntek's CIR 20 ceramic window tint. This tint is not only going to reduce the glare, it's going to add optical clarity, and it's also going to reject a lot of the heat that comes from the sun. And the last thing that we did to the wrap was add a thick layer of G-Technic's XO-V5 ceramic coating. This is going to make washing maintenance that much easier by preventing the permanent adhesion of contaminants and releasing them a lot easier during a wash session. If you placed an order for your Cybertruck and are awaiting its delivery, reach out and see how we can help you protect and restyle your Cybertruck for when it comes. Any questions, reach out. My name is John with South Jersey Paint Protection. Have a great day.